Nairb doing a box of Contenders hockey. They're both about the same. Maple Leafs are both hockey. The shuffle fills it, and football, the shuffle makes it where there's only one spot left. So both breaks could go pretty close to each other. And we'll, like I said, guys, there's a good chance we'll take the second half of Dominion and throw it up in the store. Slava Voinov, Norris Contenders, $4.99. First card out for you. Piece pack. Christopher Nielstorp, rookie ticket autograph, the regular version. Decoy. Deluxe is good. There's a bunch of you who have actually... Whoa, you got a booklet. There's a bunch of you who've emailed me about it. So Maple Leafs, the way we're going to do that is just, if you want a spot or you're going to want a spot, you can just let me know. I'll mark you down, and then we'll take payments whenever the break is more clear on when it's going to be. Does that make sense? And it helps us gauge exactly where we're at in filling it. But the product itself looks really good. Bobby Clark to $4.99. I'll after I do this box, I'll let you guys know what I've seen so far from the boxes I've watched. Brian Campbell, numbered 100, playoff ticket. 22 on the hockey shuffle. 22. Upside down pack. No worries. Sounds good. Ooh, nice one. Jim Craig. Classics autograph. So that's 2 autos, and you got the booklet coming. Nicholas, if they're glossy or not. So that's the easiest way to tell. If they're matte finish, that's the regular. If they're glossy finish, that's a variation. Sergei Bobrovsky, the $4.99, the Zenit Contenders. Yeah, there's a big list that you can go look at as well. What's funny though is they never mention the glossy aspect of it. They say like whatever the minor difference is. Oh my gosh, a booklet and a 6-way, eh? Pekka Rinne, Magnus Hellberg, Colin Wilson, Mike Fisher, Chet Picard, and Eunice Rask. 6-way. Wasn't expecting that one. Not with a booklet. Alright, here we go. Booklet pack. This thing's a beast. It's gonna go this way. Numbered to 99. 79 of 99. Hey, we pulled this one. Mike Camilleri, Curtis Glencross, Jordan Eberle, and Sam Gagner. Camilleri, Glencross, Eberle, Gagner. Contenders matchups. Quad. So Nairb, man, 6-way auto, 4-way auto, 1980 US gold auto, and a rookie ticket. There you have it, sir.